This right here is the UWANT D100 and look at this beauty. This is their brand new wet and dry flexible vacuum cleaner flagship. I love all the UWANT designs, but this one takes a cake. This one is especially beautiful. Shout out to the design team. This device offers great looks combined with perfect user friendliness. It is super intuitive and just nice to use. And most importantly, it also performs like a beast. We have some crazy tests lined up for this machine. It is gonna be good. With this you can reach every corner easily, as well as reach under and into slim crevices and spaces thanks to the 180-degree joint that you can see right here. This is a very rare feature. It will still work in this position right here. That's crazy. And the super strong 17,000 PA suction power picks up all the dirt, even heavy debris and even hairs and stuff like that is no problem whatsoever, thanks to the integrated tooth comb that will prevent any sort of clogs. And of course, there is much more to it that we'll check out in a bit. So whether it's for a quick cleanup, a pet cleanup, or for an effortless floor deep cleaning session, this right here is a way to go. It's the future of wet and dry flexible vacuum cleaners, not only when it gets to the looks, but also to the capabilities. So yeah, looks and sounds amazing, right? But is it actually that good? Well, let's find out. New drip. Got the new drip from UWANT D100 wet and dry flexible vacuum cleaner. By the way, if you're interested already, then check out the product links in the description. I will list and link the best deals for you. Yeah, now let's check it out. We'll get a nice carrying handle on this side. Right here we have the key features, and on the other side more specs in small print. The box actually wants to be presented like this, and here we have the machine. Absolutely beautiful. Two of these flaps, and then we can open it up. It will unfold like that, and on top we already have the base, and in here we have the machine as well as a few more accessories. So let's get it out. And lastly, cleaning solution. Let's unwrap everything. Here the handle, deep cleaning solution, the base right there, and the paperwork. So let's get straight to the accessories. We have this cleaning tool for the tubing to remove any stuck hair or other debris. We'll get a full bottle of deep cleaning solution here with all the small print. Let's also check out the handle. This will just slide in, pop in place with the release mechanism, and this is fully adjustable. As you can see, really nice design, and this will also control the machine. We have the tray right there and the base that will charge the machine with the contacts, and we also have the air vents for the self-drying, of course, and putting it together, and it will also come with a nice long cable for the wall outlet, of course, like that basically. And lastly, we of course have the paperwork, front and back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Done with the unboxing. Let's get to my first impressions, and then of course to a close overview. We just need to insert the handle. It will just slide in from the top and pop in place like that. We can remove the trays, which are really large. That's a super convenient system. And this actually is a 2-in-1 tray, which I love to see. Usually we have 2 trays, which is, well, a bit cumbersome. So that's much appreciated. And getting it out of the base, easy and fast. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful. Super easy to take apart. Premium sounds when you put it back together. So yeah, let's take a close look. Of course, the machine can tilt like that. It can tilt all the way to parallel to the floor. You can twist and turn. Again, this is extremely quick and easy to remove. Perfect for cleaning. This will fully expose the rolling brush that we can also easily remove by clicking or pressing this button. Look at this neat system. Absolutely amazing. It will come out as quickly as the cover. We have the motor in here with the water dispenser integrated. This flap right here for retaining the water. Nice rolls, super smooth, silent, and the complete head looks really clean. Putting it back together takes a mere seconds. Just this and this. Now let's check out the tray. Simple release mechanism. Interesting detail is this roll on the handle right there. Wastewater max. Of course, we can pull out the whole separation segment right here. So many cool features in here. On top we have the HEPA filter, and here with the dual tank system with the flap on the back. Fill it up. Fresh water in the back, wastewater in the front. Thanks to the flap, you can just dump it out. The fresh water will actually stay inside. It's all in one place. And the front of the machine, we first of all have the brand, of course. But then up here we have the smart side of things with the speaker and the brains, of course, battery, sterilization, smart turbo dry. Here we also have the self-cleaning button as well as the volume button right there. And as you can see, it rolls super smoothly. And again, base operation looks like that. It will dry itself, clean itself and charge up inside here. Not bad, right? So let's set it all up and then of course test it. The setup is literally as simple as plugging in the base, putting on the tray, powering up the system, and then inserting the machine.
Start charging.
So first of all, we will just let it charge up all the way. So yeah, I will see you in a bit. As you can see, we are fully charged up, and after testing several of these wet-dry stick vacs on the channel, we noticed a few common pain points, and UWANT fixed all of them with the D100. Most of them are quite heavy and cumbersome to carry. Even taking them out of the base is a pain. The D100 on the other side is super light, and taking it out of the base is super easy. It is extremely light, so carrying it, moving it around is very easy, and putting it back in,
start charging,
super easy as well. The D100 is light and easy to handle and very convenient to use. And not only that, most dry and wet stick vacs have very limited reach, but the UWANT can lay flat all the way to the floor. And that's why we also have this little wheel right there. So when it's on the floor, you can still use it just like that, giving it the ultimate ability to reach under furniture super easily. Check this out. All the way, no problem whatsoever. This is not possible with other stick vacs at all. It's a very slim build and the reach is just incredible. So they focus a lot on the user friendliness, not only during cleaning but also post cleaning. While on most other models, dirt and debris will accumulate inside of the device. This is not the case with the D100. First of all, compared to the competition, this machine is fully waterproof, so you can rinse it out in the shower. We will do that. Other machines, they must not come into contact with water in this area right here. So cleaning the D100 is super easy. No special care needed, just rinse it out. And same goes for the water tank. While with other models, if you don't empty out the water tank promptly, bacteria, viruses and especially odors will build up rapidly, making it smell really bad. And you won't solve this problem with the built-in odor stick. It's best to empty out the dirty water anyways, but this will prevent odors altogether. And believe it or not, there is still more. Because with the D100, the brush head is now so small, especially on the edges, making a true double-edge cleaning possible for the first time. That means you can reach all the way to the wall with the brush. While on other designs, there will be at least a finger thick of an area that is just not getting cleaned at all. The D100 can reach up all the way to the wall on both sides. And even though it's very light and slim, it is still incredibly powerful thanks to the advanced materials they used. We still get the full 17,000 PA suction power. And with that said, let's check out the best and unique UWANT features. One unique feature is the adaptive handle that will conform to every situation, and it's also super lightweight with just 4.29 kilograms. It's easy to use and you can move it around effortlessly. Secondly, the ability to lay it flat a full 180 degrees, all the way parallel to the floor. Thirdly, the ability to reach all the way to the wall on both sides. Number 4, the super strong suction power, 17,000 PA. It will pick up everything. Number 5, the anti-hair tech in here. You can see it right here. This 100-pin tooth comb will scrape out all the hairs and prevent clogs. Of course, this device is suitable for all sorts of surfaces, tiles, hardwood, laminate, marble, you name it. The water tank allows for electrolytic water sterilization, antibacterial, antiviruses, no odors. And when you put it back into the base,
start charging.
It will not only charge it up, it will also self-clean and dry it very efficiently with 60 degrees C hot air, and is virtually silent. And before we get to the test, here are 4 unique features that you will get with the D100 only. First of all, the push-in base station.
Charging.
Easy docking without any lifting or streaks. Secondly, you will get a dual-chamber water tank. 1 part
water tank has been removed.
And 2 tanks. This design combines the clean and dirty water storage. It will also filter out any debris, simplifying the maintenance. And in here we also have the odor guard stick that minimizes bad smells, bad odors, reducing all the unpleasant smells to 0 in the wastewater tank. And lastly, number 4, it's fully IPX6 waterproof, so you can wash the whole brush head compartment right there, rinse it out, spray it out. Even the motor can be rinsed directly with water. You won't damage the machine. No other devices currently on the market can do that. Yeah, now let's finally test it. We are ready to go. We have the sterilization activated. And before we pull it out of the base, let's
Water
of course
tank has been removed.
fill up the water tank. So let's open up the flap right here. And then we can just fill it up with tap water. Just like that. Then just close it up. Now it can go out. And that means you can open it up for removing the dirty water and still retain the fresh water. Super convenient. So let's wipe that, and just like that we are ready to go. We could also add deep cleaning solution. So let's just pull it out of the base, and we have the control right here on the handle. So let's turn it on, and
D100 at
there
your
we go.
service. Smart mode. Start cleaning.
Right here we can switch the modes.
Power mode. Dry mode. Smart mode.
So we have a total of 3
Dry
modes.
mode. Smart mode. Power mode. Dry mode.
And when we short press the power button, we can turn it off.
Power off. Power off.
And the blue indicator light on the right corner is for electrolytic water. And right there we can also turn off the volume.
Voice prompt off. Volume up. Volume down. Voice prompt off. Volume up.
So check this out. We are ready to go. And as you can see it slightly right there. In here are actually 24 outlets that will optimize the water flow, and they will also prevent streaks, and it will dry off very quickly. So let's go hardcore straight away, whether it's dry or wet messes, and whether it's all the way to the wall or even inside of a corner, you can get it all done with the D100. And that's a lot of sauce right there. Oh my goodness.
00
So
at your
let's
service.
go.
Smart mode. Start cleaning.
Wow, just one pass. Perfect results. That is incredible. Did you see that? Now right here all the way to the wall. Boom. Gone. Absolutely incredible. Literally all the way to the wall. We can also see it right here perfectly. Literally all the way. Also larger debris are no problem.
Start cleaning.
Even this. All gone with just a few passes. And one more thing, with this button
Normal water output.
we can switch
High
up
water output.
the water output
Low water output.
from low to normal to high.
Normal water output.
And during heavy operation, of course, the self-cleaning makes total sense. And back in the base,
Start charging.
we can use this button
Initiating self-maintenance.
for the self-cleaning. It's now cleaning the whole system basically, starting with the roller brush. It's also sterilizing the water. And as you can see, there is already a lot of stuff accumulating in the tank right there. During heavy operation, what we just did, activating the self-cleaning a few times is also a great idea to keep everything hygienic. So now let me demonstrate how easy it is to clean. We can just put it into the shower, and then of course the
Tank has been removed.
water tank. Again, the clean water will be retained, so just pull this one out, dump it in, the wastewater right there. I just fill it up with a bit of water, shake it, and there we go. And just like that, we are ready to go. We still have more than half of the fresh water available. So just put it back in, open it up, and then just rinse it out like that. Or we can also easily remove the roller brush. And also in this state, we can just rinse it out. It is fully waterproof, super easy to clean. From the brush to the whole system. It's super easy to put back together, literally only takes seconds. Now we could keep going or continue with the self-cleaning. Look at that, just awesome. Here we can also perfectly see the separation.
Cleaning complete. Please empty the wastewater tank to prevent bacterial growth.
This was the
Hot air drying, inhibiting bacterial growth.
right on. So this was the full deep cleaning cycle, and now it's self-drying. And as you can hear, it is very, very silent. And in this state, you can already
Water tank has been removed.
remove it and clean out the water tank. And now the rolling brush will fully dry itself with hot air until it's fully dry to prevent odors from building up. It will charge up, and just like that, it will be ready for the next cleaning session. So tons of awesome features, many of them unique that you can get only with the D100. So all in all, massive thumbs up from my side. The UWANT D100 is amazing. So as you saw, excellent build quality as well as hardware with a really cool, unique, great looking design. I adore it. This design is awesome in my opinion. Very futuristic, very nice. And all those features and capabilities for such an incredible price point. It is so much better than the competition in all regards, especially in this price segment. I am absolutely amazed. What an amazing wet and dry flexible stick vacuum. Just top tier value right here. UWANT always brings amazing value to the table with supremely amazing looking devices and a top of the line ecosystem. The D100 right here is truly effortless and super easy to use in any regards. Handling it is super easy. It just weighs 4.29 kilograms. It's very light, and after the cleaning, just push it into the dock. For me, this is a never before seen base concept. There is no lifting needed. It will self-clean and then also self-dry the roller, and maintaining the tank is also super easy thanks to the all-in-one dual chamber design that even includes an odor guard stick for a great smell, as well as electrolytic water, sterilization, no odors, no bacteria, no viruses, just clean surfaces. Top-notch features right here. So all in all, the D100 is a definitely drippy. Check out the product links in the description. I will list and link the best deals for you. But before you go, smash that like button, then subscribe, ring the bell and click all to never miss amazing tech magnet videos. That's it for this one. Enjoy it and I will see you soon.